As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, the classic 2-burner and the performance 4-burner. What's the deal?
Alright, so the classic 2-burner is your compact, budget-friendly option. It's around $139. The performance 4-burner is a step up, pricier at about $370.
Okay, big price difference. What am I getting for that extra cash?
Size and power, mainly. The Classic has a 280 square inch cooking area with 2 burners putting out 20,000 BTUs. It also has a side burner. The Performance boasts a much larger 475 square inches and 4 burners cranking out 36,000 BTUs plus a 10,000 BTU side burner.
So, more space for burgers and stuff? Makes sense. What about the grates?
The Classic has porcelain-coated wire grates, which are easy to clean and replace. The Performance upgrades to porcelain-coated cast iron grates. They hold heat better and give you those nice sear marks.
Ooh, sear marks. Fancy. Anything else that stands out?
Yeah, the Performance has an electronic ignition, so easy, reliable starts. The Classic is probably a more basic ignition. Plus, the Performance has LED illuminated control knobs, which look pretty cool for night grilling.
Okay, that's cool. What about size and weight? I don't want to be wrestling a monster on the patio.
The Classic is definitely lighter at 37.5 pounds. The Performance is a hefty 85 pounds. Dimension-wise, the Classic is smaller too, about 45 inches wide, while the Performance stretches out to 53 inches.
So the Classic is easier to move, but the Performance has more cooking space and better heat.
Exactly. Think about how you'll be using it. Small family, occasional grilling. The Classic is a great value. Big gatherings, serious grilling enthusiasm. The Performance is worth the investment.
Good point. I guess it depends on how many mouths I need to feed and how much I value those sear marks. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.